welcome back, and, whoa. Starscream just does not seem to want to stop getting absolutely wrecked, does he?
On Starscream.
Routing based on Starscream's last known trajectory. I'm sending probable coordinates now.
Last one there's the corroded diode Autobots.
Motormaster, don't let them get there first.
The Stunnercons? Alright, cool. Hang on. Oh, am I meant to chase down Motor Master as Grimlock? I think I've trapped him! I've cornered him! Yes! Exploiting the game! Let's go! Would this go faster if I had a bit of sword? Yes! Does it matter? No! Oh! He's just not letting up! It's abuse at this point, ladies and gentlemen! It is absolutely an unfair fight! Dinosaur versus Truck, and Truck is clearly the loser in this one. Oh, wow! Pretty obvious to me that the fight was meant to go all the way through the city. Wait, who's that? Is that Motormaster again? That's exactly what that is. Grimlock is a hell of a juggling act, if you ask me. How many times do I have to beat Motormaster up before this section of the game is over? And he's down again! Oh! Am I going the right way? Yes, but I've missed the jump. How do I get back up there? Oh no, I don't know if I can. It's okay, the way is here as well. Who would have known that dinosaurs aren't really good at car chases? But also, if you are a dinosaur and you catch a car, the car is not going to last long against you. Look, this is very simple gameplay right now. But it's so fun. I didn't mean to do that, but that's great. Oh my god! Bro! How many times? How many times do I have to remind you? think this is the most mobile Grimlock has ever been in any like version of the franchise ever. Like he's usually just more of a barbarian or a tank. Like he doesn't really do flips and aerial stuff. A third time, ladies and gentlemen, a third time. Oh, hang on. Oh. So like what? Like I had to kill him like a fourth time?
You stand down.
Never gonna happen, Brian.
I have beaten your ass. Oh, so now he's got attacks. Now he's got things he can do. Oh no, he's adapting! Boom! That has got to be the quickest boss fight yet. Motor Master, what are you doing? Motor Mastered, more like it.
Should be able to rig something together to get a directional fix on the plasma energy.
Oh wait, is Minosaur in this?
Readings of the core's power signature. I think we can track it now. Your sensors should change color if you're pointing in the right direction. The redder it gets, the closer you are.
Okay, hang on. Let's... Yeah, you know what? Let's enter the arc. Let's swap out characters. Let's do Prime. We haven't actually played as Prime since the beginning of this, have we? Where is he?
Megatron must be stopped.
No matter the cost? Hyperthermal axe. We're gonna go with it. And we're gonna give him... a heavy machine gun. So we go grenade launcher, an ion blaster, and a heavy machine gun. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright, I think we're good to go. Let's go another 10 minutes, maybe more, around about. We'll see what this whole radar thing is.
Based on earlier readings of the core's power signature, I think we can track it now. Your sensors should change color if you're pointing in the right direction. The redder it gets, the closer you are.
Alright, cool. Awesome. Give that to me, yes! I love the flame coming out of the smokestacks. I think I broke the system slightly there. I don't think it's meant to be how it goes.
You are moving away from the core. Please check the device's readings again.
Oh, hang on. Alright, I know where I'm meant to go. Oh, okay. Rude. Oh, get some. Oh, I missed really badly then. I feel like the standing right there and letting them bomb me was not a great tactic, but it was the one I was employing. Yeah, no, I'm not hitting anything with that grenade launcher. There was a scene in, like, the G1 cartoon, right, where, like, Prime went all Rambo with his gun at one point, right? I think it was like a flashback to when he was first becoming Optimus Prime after being changed from Orion Pax. And I remember just, like, you know, him being like, like, you know, and it was like, it was really cool. But, like, I don't think his Ion Blaster ever shot like that ever again. Oh, it's this thing. Alright, cool. Well, I mean, I guess we can do it again, see if we get any more prizes. Okay, we do get more prizes. Oh, right. His Flame Axe is awesome, by the way. I think best way forward is through here. Oh, man. The vibration I'm feeling in my hands makes this, like, really fun. Like, just the feeling. Hang on. I screwed that one up, hang on. Yeah, no. Ah, next time.
There it is.
Oh, I was right on top of it. Under that rubble.
The crack in that casing is getting bigger. I think I can patch the leak temporarily, if I can just get to it.
We do not have time.
We better make time. Plasma energy is unpredictable. It could explode, cause gravitational rifts, warp a wormhole into existence.
Open the case and patch the core. We will hold off any foes.
Oh, is it actually a team effort? It's a team effort! Let's go!
I'm leaking all over.
That seems like a personal problem, Wheeljack. I don't know why my right eye is like very watery at the moment. %. Wait, what? Oh, that's... there we go. This is, I'm sorry, I haven't said a lot, like, ever since this started, because between the rain and the, like, music and the hordes of enemies, this stuff is intense. Get off of my science guy. That was actually pretty brutal, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I actually don't know what Optimus Prime's ultimate is anymore. Oh! It's good as what it is! Wow! Okay. Yeah!
The case is open.
Oh, here they come! Oh!
Now, see if you can beat me.
Oh, that is good. Hey, I'm feeling a bit of deja vu here.
Keep trying.
But let's see if I've gotten any better at this. Not too much, but... Oh, listen to those blast beats! Oh, that's just... that feels like cheating. I'm under you. I've got you. Uh-oh, I've not got much left in me. Actually, I've got basically nothing left in me. Do I have any revives? No! Where do I get revives from? Why did I have them before and I don't have them anymore? Where do I get them from? That rhymes.
The case is open.
Okay. I know starting from the beginning of the boss fight music every time is maybe a little much, but like from this scene each time. But also, It's such a good intro. It's such cool music that I am not complaining. Like, this thing has got... This music is actually... This is my jam, right? It's a great riff. It's got the operatic elements. It's got these incredible blast beats. Oh, I've done some damage! This guy feels meaty, like weighty, like they've really... Between the sound and the... Oh, he's Thor! Great! I needed that! Okay, but like, legit, that is cool. Okay, come on, where are you at? Come on! Oh, no, you know what this is? Not Thor. It makes me think of, didn't one of the Megazords used to do stuff like this? Uh-oh. You thought you had me. You thought you had me then, eh? Oh, no. Oh, come on, I've got this, come on. Oh, no! Please tell me it starts from that midpoint. But I think, yeah, there was a Power Rangers Megazord, and it used to do some really cool stuff, like with its sword with like lightning attacks and stuff. And I can't remember which one. This reminds me of that, actually. Actually, you know, come to think of it, Minosaur kind of has like a Megazord vibe to it. Like, I know, like, all the combiners really kind of do, because, of course, like, they're combiners. They've got, you know, that element of the you know, because all the Megazords were combinations. But, like... What was... Anyway, but, like, Minosaur in particular, I think it's just his head shape. And the fact that he has a sword... Oh! Oh, wow! That was brutal! Anyway, the fact that he has a sword, and is this combiner, and that head shape... Yeah, it really is maybe the most Megazord-y design that that Transformers has ever produced. And, you know, even though technically the idea of Megazords, I think... When did Sentai come out? Was Sentai pre-1984? Oh, well. Okay. Come on. Oh, dang! Gotcha! And an A for that. I'll take that A. I'll take it.
No one defeats DINOSAUR! Must complete mission!
Ooh.
I did not see that coming.
That was a hell of a throw. Not gonna lie, he did very well.
Oh, Starscream! You survived.
He sounds
Everyone
so
in the
happy.
space bridge to Cybertron! Except you, Starscream. You stay here and burden the Autobots with your incompetence.
Laugh while you can, Megatron. But I will laugh last.
They have gone through the space bridge. After them.
Oh, that's the end of chapter 4. Hey, I'll take that. That was good. That was fun. I like that. That fight, especially. It's even shorter than chapter 3. So what is chapter 5 going to be like 4 sections? Maybe, possibly. Rank B overall. I'm getting better. This game thinks I'm getting better. And you know what? You know who's authority on how good I am at this game? Let me try that. You know who's authority? I believe when it comes to who's good at this game, the game itself. Just putting it out there. Well, I think that's a good time, as good a time as any, to wrap it up. End it. We absolutely brutalized Minosaur. That was fun. I like that fight a lot. It did prove that I've gotten better, because if you don't remember, Devastator, he killed me like 10 times, I think. This time was only 2, and one of them had a really sick animation. Like, picks up and swings down, bang! That was awesome. That was really cool. I really, really liked that. This has been fun. And I hope you have also been enjoying yourself. If you have, I do hope to see you next time.